إليكم أصدقائي في هذا المقطع القصير بعض تحركات الجوهرة المغربية زياد الرباج بعد دخوله بديلا. مكان المتألق إلياس بالمختار الذي أحرز على جائزة رجل المباراة باستحقاق. فرجة ممتعة.
First touch for Rabaj. He loses out. Zekri. He should be tidied up by Senghir. Not quite yet. Space was closed down now. Cross from Torash is comfortably headed away by Urabi. Now here's Rabaj. Did really well to keep that in, Rabaj, and then play it down him. It looks like it's off. Another Uganda attack just breaks down, and